The content of this video is compiled information from generic and public sources. It is in no way a substitute, suggestion, or advice for a qualified medical opinion. Please consult a medical doctor to seek treatment for any illnesses or medical concerns you may have. Mint Magic. How this herb can transform your health. Improve digestion. Mint has been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. It can help relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract and promote smoother digestion. Fresh breath. Chewing mint leaves or using mint-flavored products, such as gum or mouthwash, can help combat bad breath. Mint has natural antibacterial properties that can freshen up your breath and kill bacteria in the mouth. Relieve nasal congestion. The aroma of mint can help open up blocked nasal passages, thereby providing relief from nasal congestion and sinus pressure. You can inhale the steam of hot water mixed with a few drops of mint essential oil, or rub mint oil on your chest to clear nasal congestion. Reduced headaches. Mint contains menthol, which has a cooling effect and is known to relieve headaches and migraines. Applying mint oil topically or inhaling its aroma can help alleviate headache symptoms. Reduce nausea. Mint has been traditionally used to ease nausea and vomiting. Drinking mint tea or using products containing mint can help reduce feelings of nausea and soothe the stomach. Improved skin health. Mint has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat skin conditions such as acne or eczema. Applying mint-based products or using mint-infused face masks can help keep the skin clean and clear. Enhanced focus and alertness. The scent of mint has been found to increase alertness, improve cognitive performance, and boost memory. Diffusing mint essential oil or using mint-based products can help enhance focus and concentration. Relieved muscle pain. Mint contains properties that can help relax muscles and relieve muscle pain or soreness. Topical application of mint oil or using mint-infused creams and ointments can provide relief from muscle discomfort. Reduced menstrual cramps. Mint tea has been used traditionally to alleviate menstrual cramps and pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of mint can help relax the muscles of the uterus and reduce cramping. Improved oral health. Mint has been used for its oral health benefits for centuries. Its antibacterial properties can help kill harmful bacteria in the mouth, prevent tooth decay, and promote overall oral hygiene. Using mint-based oral care products or chewing mint leaves can enhance oral health.